Hi friends, let me show you this pet toys storage basket that I received for reviewing purposes. You can use it for your dog's toys and put everything here to have it organized. You can put it in your car or in your pet's room or wherever you want to have your pet's toys organized. Let's try it. We're going to hang it here so we don't have all the toys in the floor, okay? And we are going to put everything here. Let's see. As you can see, it fits a lot of things. So you can have it organized in your home, in your car, wherever you want to go. Milo. And when you are ready to go, you just take it with you, like this. Let's go, Milo. So this is a nice way to have your dogs or pets' stuff organized, okay? Thank you.